In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Weebly. Setting up a payment method is a crucial step for ensuring your online business can smoothly process transactions. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. This is where the journey begins. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, you're going to need to log into your account. You can do this by using your email and password. For those of you who have a Square account, no worries. You can log in with that as well. This step is essential because it gets you through the front door of your dashboard, the control center for all your website activities. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Weebly dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, look towards the left side of the screen and locate the overview section. Clicking on it will provide you with a comprehensive view of what's happening on your site. It's like a management console that offers insight into your site's health and performance. Next up, you'll want to focus your attention on the sidebar. Here, you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This area is where you can tweak and fine-tune various aspects of your website to best suit your needs. Once you're in the settings, locate the checkout option. This is where you'll manage everything related to transactions and payments. Upon entering the checkout section, you'll find yourself reviewing the available payment options. Take your time here. Familiarize yourself with the different providers that Weebly offers. Each payment provider has its own set of benefits and fees, so it's worth considering which aligns best with your business model. For this example, let's go ahead and choose a provider. Let's say you select Stripe. With Stripe, you can easily connect your account with Weebly to start processing payments. So click on Stripe and then hit the Connect button. This initiates the setup process where you'll either create a new Stripe account or link an existing one. It's a straightforward process, but make sure your details are accurate to avoid any hitches down the line. After you've completed the setup, your Stripe account will be successfully connected to Weebly. This connection enables you to seamlessly run transactions on your site, providing you with a reliable way to handle payments. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add a payment method to your Weebly site. By following these steps, you now have the capability to conduct business transactions smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you next time.